Beauty bar for my honey, my love, so sweet. Hey! Hey! People around here! Yes, ma'am. Welcome to our store. Kasi atong gipangita di ay, ma'am. What did you say? What do you mean by unsa imong gipangita, ma'am? I don't understand your language, you know. You speak in English because I'm English. I came from LA. Do you know what is LA? Likod sa America. I came from Likod sa America. So, I'm just looking a human size bear stuffed toy. Do you have that? Because me and my boyfriend celebrating a first monthsary. That's why I want to buy him a human size bear. Do you know what human size bear is? A life-size bear like me. Do you have that? Ay ma'am, ikan ka sa ma'am, English. Patay. English day ko ano ka rin. Ay, mas bleeding ko, ma'am. Oy, wait lang, ma'am, ha. Mag-English ko. Kanang, you are looking for human size stuffed toy, ma'am. Human size stuffed toy, like me. So, for your boyfriend to celebrate the first month anniversary. So, you are looking found the human size stuffed toy. So, no worry, ma'am. We have already a human size stuffed toy here. Mini more human size stuffed toy here. So, come here, ma'am. Come here. You see? You see this? And this? These are the mini more human size stuffed toy. This one, this two, this three, this four, this five. There are the human size stuffed toy you are looking for. So, you choose the color, ma'am. What you want to choose the color? What's a good idea? You understand my language. My language is English because I came from LA. Likod of America. So, I'm just looking at life-size human bears. So, you have many more life-size bears. So, I want to choose one. So, gray, red, peach, pink. So, I want this red because red is, the meaning of red is love. So perfect for my boyfriend. I want this red. I want to see this red right now. I want to buy this red. Yes, you want this, ma'am, this color red. So wait ha, I will just I will just get the red and give it to you. Assistant, come here. You kuha the hagdan. Iti the ladder. You plaster. So you cut and get the red bear. You faster because mom is waiting for you. Oops, slowly but carefully. Here is already your human size stuffed toy, ma'am. It's so nice, beautiful. He is beautiful like me. Uy, wow, it's so heavy. I can take this to my home. It's so very big. Oh no. one. His favorite color is red. But I think she don't like red. I just think about it. I don't take this red color red. I want another color because red is not lucky color for me. So I want another color. Please, you want get other color. So I want to take this back to you. Isa ganahan ani day. Sa man ang customer oy arte pa kaayo English ra ba nga. Sus. Kanindot ta kay ani nga beer ingon sa red o kuno yang gusto niya. Karon dili na pud kato na pud siyang lain nga color. By the way, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. You just back this color red stuff toy. You want the other color? See. Okay. Okay, ma'am, ha? Assistant, you back the cut the ladder and to get another color. Because the customer, she don't like this. She want other color. Pagkapait, pagbigkayan ni customer, hindi sira pa kayo, arte pa kastanan. Pagbigkayan nga yan. So you sit down. Slowly. Because the beer is damaged. So you bring back down. So you bring back down. Yeah. Oh, okay, ma'am. This is your favorite color. This is the last your choice, ma'am. This is the last your choice so that you buy this. So you assistant, you hold this beer and give it to ma'am. What's a very nice color. You do it right. I think my boyfriend is like already this color. There's a flowers, then there's a letter, words, love. So, miss, maybe my boyfriend is happy together with me. So, I want to buy this. You hold first. I want to get a money to buy this one. Oh, just wait a minute. My cell phone is ringing. Vibrate instead. Oh, my honey, my love, so sweet. I want to answer this call. Yes, hello, honey, my love, so sweet. Yes. Yes, I'm here now at store buying a human size lifetime teddy bear. Yes, your favorite. Oh, yeah. Oh, what? You have bad news for me? Oh no, honey, my love, so sweet. What's that kind of bad news? What? Oh no. What's happened? You break up with me? Why? Why? You have another girl? Oh, it's a third party? No. Why? Don't break me, honey, my love, so sweet. sorry. Honey, my love, so sweet, don't do that. I really, really love you. I hate you. I hate